In this video, I will show you how to update Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, it's very important that you do keep your Windows 11 system up to date to ensure that your system keeps running smoothly, and obviously if you have any problems or errors, then updating your Windows 11 system can potentially fix these problems. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box and type settings. Then underneath best match, go ahead, click on settings, and that's going to open up your settings window. From here, come across to the menu on the left hand side, and if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see an option for Windows Update. So just go ahead, give that a click. This is going to take you to the update page, and from here, what you want to do is click the blue button to check for updates. As you can see, it's currently scanning through to see if there's any available updates that need to be downloaded on this system. Now, in my case, it currently says I'm up to date, there's no updates available. However, if you do have an update available, then you'll be prompted to install it and, of course, restart your computer after the update has installed to apply the update. Now, I just want to note, of course, that you do need to be connected to a Wi-Fi connection in order to update your PC as well. So if you are trying to look for an update and you're not connected to internet, it's not going to work properly. So make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or internet to download and install the latest available updates. So that is how to update Windows 11. That being said, if this tutorial did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.